Ladies and gentlemen, you know we are here on the road. Troubles right there, nice right there. And we doing, let me see if we can see here what I do clear up. Jamoy, tell them where we are going.
Going to Animal Kingdom, Reptile City.
Where we are going?
Answer the place name.
Reptile City? You don't know where you go?
No, I don't know.
Troubles, tell them where you go.
Underground reptile.
You're going to underground reptiles, nice.
Today we're on the way right now. I got to underground reptiles. Them have whole heap of cool and exotic stuff. Hopefully, them have them in a stop. So I got video a couple things I make you see. Last time we go there, them have a monkey. Believe it or not, you see the lizard with Chabash, they have yellow lizard. The man did a go train him for a monkey. And Chabash never take the monkey.
Nice, I bet you never know that.
I hope never link them and see.
The man could have a monkey right now, dog. What better, lizard better than monkey? How?
You never see a snake so big.
Yo, it's the biggest snake me ever see. Look from this, so come all the way around. So.
What does it say?
Hermes python. Oh, dangerous reptile.
All such to it.
Not for sale. Oh, tarantula. Yeah, I'm just pretty. Could I get him? Nice trade, everything nice as stay far. Nice as stay far.
They have the baby one, them, you know.
How much?
Really cool. Look here.
Oh, they are different chance, you know.
The black and blue.
The one the Brazilian. The one the black. Nice, so you stay so far, dog. Far now. The one the eerie. The one the two. You must sleep. And tank like this, mother one. And what more thing you hide, watch it. Yeah, the man just look dangerous. You know, look. So what's working here, right? She body finish around there, so the thing come all the way around there, so it's double. You're huge, you know. Nice, you can grab it, you know. Then change up in here. And so in here this day last time we come here. Whole heap of something there. No monkey in there, none of them something there. So I'm pissed off. So the big one there. Two of them in there, you know. Two huge one in there. Nice to stay far from everything, you know. Nice to stay extra far. So, just get the cricket them now. We're going on the road again. Woo! They're not so big, but they're big. So we reach the next place. I don't want to have the right one where I look for. But hopefully them have them things in there. Look how nice, stay far from everything. I don't know what that's for him. What's the price for him? $9,999. What do they want now? Watch him, he's wild. He's definitely wild. I'm gonna look on me so. Yeah, come to yourself, come to. Yeah. What's the big one there? I'm telling them I have some exotic one, for the black one there. For this.
Not dragon, not
come on. Yeah, this is the fattest snake I've ever seen in my life. Go there.
Oh shoot. You meet a pig? Aye.
Yeah, create the color there. So white one about too.
We are nice up on the road, we are chop it today. We are gonna look nice, can't consume nothing with pepper. Yesterday we got a Dutch pot and we buy a soup. And the man find the whole pepper in his soup.
So right now I'm reach the store. Yo, me always mix up mayonnaise and ketchup together. No, me not have to do that, then mix it. And I first me see it now. Oh nice day. Nice, you ever see this before?
Ketchup mustard?
Ketchup, mayonnaise, mixed together. And we always, you see me always do it and people say me nasty. And look there now. People, somebody go do it and I reach a fight before me. So you know, along me there I look for breadcrumbs. And can't find none. Me circle around here around 16 times. I look for breadcrumbs. Oh no. And I saw my boat yesterday, you know. Look on we cat. And remember, you know, I walk, we walk. I walk, we walk nice.
Yeah, we're coming up for one thing. Next snacks.
And look at you in a food. I tell you. We back full. We back full from my back. And nice and film back. We not go far still. We the right this, so don't cross where the man can't kill you, dog. We have a little troop figure. Not far. They look like him do something like that and take on the ship. Like him do something there. We're near. We soon reach. My bag full, nice bag full. Over there. Yeah. We are do road. I think we're back and reach home. Because I'm hungry. And swim around there for my mind. The whole time swim around there.
Lemon pepper.
Lemon pepper there for nice mind.
Fry. Snapper. The French fries.
Yeah.
The pepper.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just cold. Fish just start out. I gotta clean them up. As in cut off the gill and them something there. Fries there so soak.
I don't put Frankfurt in that pizza.
Anyway you want to put it, how you want to put it down. What is this?
Biscuits.
Me need to see you take up this. You eat biscuits?
I'm a madman.
Me know them, you know, but me want to see you take them up. A Pillsbury, anything Pillsbury bad. And corned beef hash. We cannot afford real corned beef.
Who can afford it now?
Which part yes you can't be for $4.99? No, yes you can't be for $4.99. Where? Bravos?
Yeah,
That's impossible.
I'm gonna make some cabbage and cabbage.
Just add on some all-purpose and some lemon pepper. Trust me, that's all you need. Nothing more than all-purpose and lemon pepper. Nice. Love the lemon pepper.
Yeah.
When I say love, me mean love the lemon pepper, boy. Bad still. The what?
Lemon pepper on the gummy bears.
Them season up. Yo, them I go pop, you know, cause the water depend this here, Jesus Christ. When you know fish no fi fry when water depend it, is it a go bust up in the aisle. I mean, know me fi dry them off, you know. Pepper, I mean, garlic. One bubble up, you know. You know you have to season the pot. Some people use something they night too. Scallion. Not scallion all the time. Thyme. Some people use thyme in night too. Me not have time for that. So me just end up do the right thing. Me just dry them off properly. So now the oil not go pop up. And me I go put back some season upon them. Because I rub off the season them like one. First one drop in already. Hear him. Drop in the next one too. Yo, me couldn't bother cut off them something there. So when me I fry them, when me fry them at crisp, the whole of them they are consumed. Me I consume every part of this, so don't worry about them either. Fin, tail, gill, eye, Bone, every part me I consume. Yo, a hot dog we are dealing right now. Twice hot dog right now. One for nice, one for me do. Them a come along. Done me telling you me a Friday and Chris. So me can eat every part of them me I consume. Every part of them. Fries there so. No? Fries then done. Fish they done already. Me put them in first set we done. Me make sure put them in the oven. So then here fish. You there? Yeah, this are some fries. Yeah, dog over there. So then. Okay, dinner is served. Yo, my camera mess up. My camera not clean. So my wonder with the mayonnaise right there. Nice one on the mayonnaise. Nice one on the mayonnaise.
Hold on there, before we click off, remember the merch in at the bio right now for purchase. Any Big Up My G's merch, any color, we have everything for the ladies them. And I mean, we have phone case, we have everything. We have pullover, we have regular shirts, we have long sleeve. Support the movement, my G's. Blessings and respect. Hope it